quick app in Swarmauri, creating a tool agent in Swarmauri using the Gradio application. The first thing we need to do is to import the OS library. Then we need to import Gradio. Then we need to import the Grac tool model. Also, we need to import the tool agent. We also need to import the calculator tool, conversation, and the toolkit. Now let's run this and let's fetch our API key. So you can get your API key from console.grac.com/keys. After that, we need to initialize the Grac model and create a calculator tool. Create a tool agent with the Grac model, conversation, and toolkit. Then we need to define the function to be executed for the Gradio interface. So for this video, we are using the chat interface. So Gradio chat interface. So let's launch it. Okay, so let's test it out. Add 1 + 1. That should give us 2. So 2 is the answer. So 1 + 1 is 2. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on GitHub.